If you're thinking about getting a robot vacuum, your main question is, will it really do the job for me? Because let's be honest, it sounds pretty amazing. You come home and the floor is spotless, without lifting a finger. But which robot vacuum is the right fit for you? I'm Lola, and in this video I'll explain what you should look out for, like navigation, suction power, and whether it can handle thresholds. Some robots move randomly around your house. Other robots always know exactly where they need to be. That all comes down to navigation. The advantage of smart navigation is that the robot doesn't miss any spots. Plus, it won't bump into walls or furniture. With object detection, the robot can recognize small items. That's super useful if there are toys or cables lying around on the floor. Are you looking for the best navigation? Then go for a robot with a high-end navigation class. Do you have laminate flooring at home? Or maybe carpet in the bedroom, or a mix of both? Some robots can tell the difference and, for example, automatically boost suction power when they hit the carpet. They even lift the mop automatically when moving over carpet. That way your rug stays nice and dry. This means you don't have to set separate cleaning schedules for vacuuming and mopping. And that's super convenient if you have different types of flooring at home. The suction power determines how thoroughly the robot vacuum cleans. If you have kids, pets, or lots of hair around, you'll definitely want a robot with strong suction. We measure the suction power of robot vacuums in pascals. The higher this number, the more powerful the robot vacuums. You can choose between basic good and very good suction power. Want the best cleaning results? Then go for very good suction power. Robot vacuums with a mopping function not only remove hair and dust, but also tackle stains on your floor. Some robot vacuums drag a damp cloth behind them, while others clean thoroughly with rotating brushes and hot water. On our website, you can choose from 3 classes: basic, good, and very good. Are you looking for the robot that mops your floor the best and most independently? Then go for a very good mopping class. Don't feel like emptying the dustbin or washing the mop every time. A cleaning station takes care of these chores for you. Some cleaning stations only empty the dustbin, but others also refill the water or wash the mop. And the more functions it has, the more independent the station is. That way you can easily keep your home clean even if you have a busy life. Want your robot vacuum to really clean everywhere? Then measure the height from the floor to the bottom of your sofa or chair. That way, you'll know for sure the robot can drive neatly underneath. Also, be sure to check the height of all the thresholds in your home. Most robot vacuums can handle thresholds up to 2 centimeters high. There are also robots that can tackle even higher thresholds, like 4 or 6 centimeters. There are quite a few things to consider when choosing a robot vacuum. But if you know what kind of floor you have, how smart you want your robot to be, and whether you want it to mop as well, you're already well on your way. I hope this video has helped you pick the right robot vacuum that suits you. Take care!